Welcome back, everyone. It is very, very windy. It's a blizzard right now. We've gotten about maybe close to a foot of snow. This road has been plowed 3 times already. I'm going to be testing this thing in the snow, doing my first impressions, doing 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, seeing if it can get stuck in this deep snow. I'm going to be sliding it around and just testing it out, getting the feel of it in the winter. Let's get into it. Let's start with 2-wheel drive. Just in drive, and let's give it some gas. We've got some ice under the snow and it's pretty deep. Let's see how these Motormasters handle it. Oh yeah. I can feel that limited slip working away. Now we're gonna do 4-wheel drive and see the difference. We should be on some fresh tracks now. Super icy underneath. Let's go. And that's a game changer right there. So much of a smoother grip acceleration. Right, now we're gonna try doing a quick brake test from 50 on some powder. And we're gonna see how we can stop. I'm gonna do a full lockup on the brakes. And since this thing doesn't have ABS, I don't think we can get to 40 actually. Let's go to 50, let's go from 40. Boom, right on the brakes. That's full. So these Motormasters stop pretty good. Now let's just test out the handling in this deep snow. Let's say you're just pulling out of your driveway. Let's start this in 2-wheel drive. Yeah, that gear grip's pretty good. I'm not even getting sideways here. The limited slip is doing its job. It's not just spinning one wheel. Now let's put it in 4. See, we're struggling a bit. And that's engaged right away. Now 4-wheel is a lot more stable. The switch here again. Can't really see the road. The snow's really coming down. This thing's really stable. It's getting sucked in a little bit, but the snow's really deep to be going 50 on. I think the Jeep's doing a pretty good job. Now let's brake. Full on the brakes here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's take a look at these tires, see how they look. These are the tires here. They're still pretty soft. You can see all the sipes have a bunch of snow right in them, so the sipes are doing their job. Still remaining soft. Right, let's get back inside. And let's try this thing in some deeper snow. You're up, buddy. Deep snow time.
Why can't we DJI it?
Well, we will after.
Okay.
This might get included in the video, I can't lie. That's
What?
why you about going outside.
It's cold.
It is very cold out.
Are you gonna send it through that?
Oh yeah.
That's deep. Do you want me to get like a reference? Like you'll stop in it, or I don't know? Just go through it first and make sure you're not.
I'll stop in it.
Okay.
Let's try out the deep stuff here. So this is a ditch here. We're in 2-wheel drive right now. Super deep snow. But even 2-wheel drive is almost getting me up. I can feel that limited slip diff kicking in. Not quite there. All right, now I'm just gonna engage part-time. See if we can get out. Okay, now we're a little stuck. Low traction and really icy. Let's put it in 4 low now. Let's try this again from a bit of a run up. I know I can get out in reverse. I got traction boards and shovels, but this is the snow we're dealing with. Let's try with a bit of speed and power. Oh yeah. Just like that, we're just a snowplow now. No problems anymore.
We're stuck for a second. You sunk bad.
Snow is really deep here. This thing is lifted and we're still plowing through snow. Let's see if we can try to get out now. Looks like we're just spinning our wheels here. All right, let's try to back up a little bit. Get a bit of a roll up to it. Oh, the snow got even deeper there. Let's go first gear. Like nothing. Put it in second. Putting it in second here. As we were recording here, some guy came to drift around and it looks like he slid into the ditch and he's stuck now. So we're gonna do a quick recovery here, which is pretty awesome. All right, let's pull him out. What's up, man? You stuck? Do you have a tow thing? Right in here. You should have it in the trunk maybe. Are you X-Drive?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you just slid in?
Yeah.
Sucks. Here, perfect. I think you have that. Here, give me the screwdriver too. I'm gonna have to pop it. Unless you want to do it, you're good? Here we go. I didn't even need the screwdriver. Holy, this is deep. Got my toe strap. Let's loop it through just like this.
That is cool.
Be careful. Oh, my fingers are frozen. Get the slack. Okay, we're gonna have to give it a bit of a go. A bit of a bump. Here we go. We are successfully out. How was that?
Thanks, man.
No problem. Now this was supposed to be the end of the video, but as we drove around later, conditions got worse and people started getting stuck, so the rest of the evening was spent pulling people out of the snow. And each car we pulled out had something in common, which was all-season tires. This goes to show you need winter tires when driving in conditions like this, especially at low temperatures. Alright guys, recovery number 2 today. There we are.
Another victim collected. Yeah, reverse. Alright everyone, another successful outing with the Jeep. We did some snow testing.
And I think this thing is ready for the Canadian winters.